Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm planning to cover some commonly used Unix commands. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. It's not just enjoying, you have to really understand how it works. Right, let me just go through echo, right? Echo, for example, echo, you can just type echo test, it will just echo it on the screen. Usually we use echo in the shell script. For instance, simple shell script. Okay, as you know that the shell script starts off with /bin/sh, right? Let's say add some remarks column. 25th August 2015, and okay, echo. Right, welcome to Unix, right? Just press Ctrl O to save and then Ctrl X. So if you compile this script, there you go. You see echo line is being displayed here. Okay, echo welcome to Unix. So basically echo is a command if you want to echo something on the screen, so we usually use that. Perhaps it's similar to C or printf, in other languages. Okay, besides that, sort of covering today word count. Word count is also quite a useful command. So man wc is the word count. It displays a count of lines, words, and characters in a file, actually, right? So wc is quite commonly used. So in fact, yeah, this is quite often asked in exam. So you got to know. Let's say, for example, if you want to check the profile of the file just now we just created, wc simple, so it gives you three lines. Yeah, 3 lines, 9 words, and 52 characters. So that's the profile of this particular file. Normally, what we do, like if you want to check how many accounts, how many user accounts in the password file, of course, if you do this way, you will just get to see a lot of lines. But instead, if you do a word count, right, word count minus L indicates obvious number of lines, but you're doing it, you want to check the number of lines from the password file, right? So it shows 46, so that means this file has 46 lines, right? So again, man wc, if you notice, minus L, it actually counts lines, minus C count characters, minus W is something it's quite often used, counts number of words, right? Just take note of that. Okay, let's move on to touch is to create a simple file with 0 bytes. So that's we use touch. Let's say, for example, touch trial. Okay, so just check it out. Yeah, there you go. This 0 bytes, right? 0 bytes. All right, yeah. What else? So again, just try one more touch. Trial 2. Obviously, if you can just want to know trial, you can use wildcard to check. Yeah, trial and trial 2 both also 0 bytes, right? So sometimes we use touch, basically, to set also to set time. In fact, we can also use to change file access. But usually, if the file is not created, it will help to create a file. This is the straightforward definition. If the file doesn't exist, right, so it will create with 0 bytes. Okay, so that's the actual purpose of a touch. Right, so then let's move on to look at perhaps we look at head. If you want to know the top 5 or top 10 lines of pass.wd file, so what you can do, you can just do a head -5 to look at the first 5 lines from the file name here. There you go. It just gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay, so that is reflecting this. Similarly, you can do a tail. If you want to know what are the last 5 accounts created, so you can try this. So tail will give you the last 5 accounts, right? So tail -5. So again, the head and tail are quite commonly used. And if you want to sort, you can use sort the file name, which is I'm using pass.wd, right? Again, you just sorted from A to Z, right? A to Z, but it would be better if we sort /etc/pass.wd, and then you can redirect to pass, pass. So in this case, if we cat pass, this is a file, of course, password file, which is sorted from A to Z, right? So the redirection operator, as you know, is very powerful, right? Okay, just take note of that. And then today, let's look at of course, history. History is something that is useful. So you can see mine is about over 500 commands. So in your case, you will have probably different ones. So you just capture this. It's good to take a copy of the history, so you know what are the commands that you have been trying, right? You have been using. The history is quite useful. And then let's, of course, I think we have discussed more, right? But anyway, just one more round of doing that. If you want to check, if you want to display the content of a file, page by page, we use more. Okay, yeah, you can see that. So that's the effect of more. And okay, I think yeah, that should be enough for today. Of course, as usual, you got to keep practicing it. Just be familiar. Today's the important one is the head and tail commands. In case you're asked to grab the top 5 or the bottom 10, you should be able to use those commands, right? So with that, yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.